Hey, FUB community. We just launched a new feature. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough. We used to have it set up where if you use our appointment form to create the appointment and follow-up boss, we'll send out our disposition form via text to the assigned agent after the appointment to collect the outcome. We made an update where now you can use the follow-up boss appointment to schedule the text to go out to the assigned agents. Here's our disposition form, just collects basic info. Did the appointment happen? The date the appointment happened? Was the appointment qualified? Why didn't the appointment happen? If it didn't happen, the appointment outcome, which will then get synced with the follow-up boss appointment. If you want to do a rating, notes, and if you want to reschedule the appointment, you can use the reschedule fields. You could add whatever fields you want on here. So we have primary fields are pre-mapped to the relevant field and follow-up boss. And then you could add custom fields as well. So I'm going to go over to the automation. So here's how we set up the text to go out. So when the appointment is created, we can filter by the type of appointment. So if you only want certain types of appointments to send out the disposition text, you can use a filter. It'll create the deal. You don't need to create a deal if you don't want to, but we can make it so it creates a deal. And then it'll create an opportunity in our system. Here's where we select which disposition form we want to send out. And then here's where we schedule the disposition text. So now I'm going to go into follow-up boss. I have a lead right here. I have my mobile synced here, so you can see the text come through. So I'm going to create the appointment. I'm going to schedule it for yesterday, so the text will go out right away. Now I'm going to select the type, so I filtered it by buyer consultation, and then I'm going to create the appointment. And now we get our deal over here. Now we get a note indicating the disposition text was sent, and now we can see the text came through. So the agent would receive this text as their appointment was coming to an end. They click on the link, and this would all be done from their phone. So did the appointment happen? Yes, the appointment happened. Appointment outcome. Say BBA obtained. And submit. Now the deal got updated to met. We got a note with everything that was entered on the form. Since we indicated a BBA was signed, the form redirected to the next form that needs to be filled out, which would be the buyer agreement sign form. And then the outcome gets added. So I'm making our system more flexible, so it'll work for whatever your sales process is. We still recommend using our appointment form because there's more controls in place. But if you'd rather use the follow-up boss appointment, that is an option. All right. Thanks, everyone.